do you do it? You got me in it, and I can't explain.
I, Travis, take you, Emma,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife,
And I do promise and covenant before God
and I do promise and covenant before God
and these witnesses
and these witnesses
to be your loving and faithful husband
to be your loving and faithful husband
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in plenty and in want,
in plenty and in want,
in joy and in sorrow,
in joy and in sorrow,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Oh, and I just wanna say, if I didn't love you, then what would I have if I didn't love you? I wouldn't be who I am, would I be drifting with nowhere to land? I don't know what I'd do if I didn't love you. All the madness and the chaos going on outside, coming at us through the TV, the world's on fire. And everything is so uncertain, it's getting hard to make it through. When there's nothing left to be said, I look at you, and it's strange how the touch of a hand can make you feel safe. Oh, and I just wanna say, if I didn't love you, then what would I have if I didn't love you? I wouldn't be who I am, would I be drifting with nowhere to land? I don't know what I'd do if I didn't love you.
This ring I give you
As a token and pledge
is a token and pledge
of constant faith
of constant faith
and abiding love.
and abiding love.
Love ain't easy, and I know.
According to the ordinance of God and the law of the great state of Florida, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, what God hath joined together, let no man put asunder. You may seal your commitment with a 3 to 5 second kiss.
If I didn't love, then what would I have if I didn't love you? I wouldn't be who I am.
Doesn't take much to make me happy and make me smile with glee. Never will I feel discouraged.
Today, we welcome Emma into our family with open hearts and sincere love. As a promise to Mr. and Mrs. Madonna, we will love Emma just as our own daughter.
The way you make me feel about you, baby, want the whole wide world to see. Whoa, you got the best of my.
Travis, we have truly enjoyed getting to know you as well, and welcome you, just as your dad said about Emma, to our family with open hearts, open arms, and so glad you're here. So, but really, just congratulations to both of you guys, and may God bless you guys in your lives together wherever that leads you.
Kind of come around each day. My life has a better meaning.
To Travis, who will always put anyone he cares about above himself. And to Emma, whose warmth and energy will give Travis the perfect amount of chaos to keep him continuously cared for. I'm so happy for both of you. To Travis and Emma, to the Shongs.
I love you. I'm so proud and happy for you. And I can't wait to make Travis sleep on the couch when I come to visit.